Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to EnggAdda. Today we are diving into one of the hottest debate in tech, which is will AI replace software developers? AI is already reshaping industries, automating repetitive tasks, and supercharging productivity. But what does that means for the millions of developers worldwide? Are we looking at the future where the machine take over coding entirely, or is there a still place for the human ingenuity in the software development? In this video, we'll explore the type of task AI excel at and where it struggles, how developers can adapt and stay relevant in the age of AI, and the exciting new opportunities that AI is creating in the tech world. If you are ever wondered about the future of the coding in AI driven world, stick around. This is going to be a game changing discussion here. So, what I will do, I will go to the next slide to discuss more about the AI. Okay, so the topic is AI replacing software developers, a holistic overview on the impact of the AI in the software development. In 2025, we are going to see the AI in more explored and broader aspects, right? It is going to be in all the areas in 2025 or in coming years, you can say. So that is why we are discussing these things here. Now, will AI replace software developers? The rapid advancement in the artificial intelligence has sparked discussion and concern across the various industries. This representation explores tasks susceptible to the AI automation, like the tasks that are going to be replaced by the AI, areas where developers remain essentials, and strategies for adapting and thriving, new opportunity created by the AI. So these are the four tasks that we are going to discuss here. Okay, what are the tasks that are going to be automated by the AI? The area where the developers remain essentials, and what are the strategies that developers can adapt to be relevant in the era. Okay, and what are the new opportunities created by the AI? Now we'll go to the next slide to discuss more about the tasks that are susceptible to the AI automation that can be replaced by the AI, right? So let me go there. So here we can see that the task and fields susceptible to the AI automation. AI excels in automating repetitive tasks. Okay, so the repetitive task would be, or you can say definitely it is going to be replaced by the AI. The rule based task where we have to define the rule and then the task will be completed. There also the AI is going to take over because you can train the models for a rule and then that work will be done by the model itself. And data intensive tasks in software developments, these are also going to be automated or replaced by the AI. Okay, so the key areas include code generation, like you might have come across my videos where I have used the tab 9 as a plugin in IntelliJ, which help us in automatically generating the code for us based upon the comment that we are writing or the things that we are write, like the code we are writing. The plugin automatically thinks what should be the next line and it will generate for you, right? So the code generation is going to be replaced by the AI that we are already seeing, right? The tools like GitHub Copilot and the tab 9, they are automatically generating the boilerplate code for you. Okay, and it is the repetitive task of this code generation or boilerplate code generation is going to be replaced by the AI, which we are seeing as of now. It is not in the future, right? Now coming to the next thing is big bug detection. Okay, so there are AI driven tools that help you in detecting the bugs in your application, and it will also provide you the solution for it, how you can solve this bug. So bug detection and debugging, or you can say the solution of the bug is also going to be done by the AI itself. Okay, so AI driven tools identify the error quickly. There are tools, I would say, or there are plugins. I don't remember the name as of now, but there are plugins that help you in bug detection. Now coming to the next field, which is testing. So there are AIs that will help you to automate the whole framework testing. Okay, and execute the test case for you. So the testing is also going to be replaced by the AI. Now coming to the next thing is low code platforms. So AI also try to simplify the app development for non-programmers that we are seeing nowadays. The person which has the zero knowledge of programming, now with the help of the AI like ChatGPT or other coding AIs, can try to develop a web application or application in general. They can try and develop. Okay, so the AI is also helping the non-programmers to develop the application. Now system monitoring, the real-time issue prediction and the maintenance can be done by the AI itself. So these are the fields like code generation, bug debugging and detection, testing, low code platforms, system monitoring. These are the fields where AI is going to replace the software developers. Okay, now coming to the next thing, which is the task less likely to be fully automated. So these are the tasks that are going to be there for the software developers. Like the software developer would be there. Software developer is the final person who is going to do this task. Still, the software developers can take the help of the AI in these jobs as well, in this area as well. Okay, so these are the tasks less likely to be fully automated. Like some of aspect of the software development remains challenging for the AI, like creating creative problem solving. Okay, so where we think of the problem solving, the AI could not solve the problem creatively how the human can. Okay, so designing unique algorithm in the system is only done by the software developer as of now. It is not done by the AI. AI can do the repetitive tasks, code generation, bug detection, testing, okay, system monitoring. So those things can be done by the AI, but as of now, the creative problem solving is not being done by the AI. So here we need the software developers. So now you should be very much clear in your mind that you have to focus on upgrading your skills and you have to learn this creative problem solving, designing unique algorithm and the systems, right? Now writing the boilerplate code, bug detection, testing, these things are not going to help you. You have to upgrade yourself. You have to think how you can solve the problem creatively, how you can design the unique algorithm in the system. Now, the next thing is understanding context. Okay, interpreting nuanced business logic is what software developers do, and it is not done by the UI. So, the business logic is basically the software developers designs, because the product owners try to give you some scenarios and try to see how you can solve it out. So the business logic is properly, and you can say as of now it is being totally done by the software developers. So you have to focus more on how you can solve the real problems and how you can understand the business logics. Okay, now coming to the next thing is human centric design. Empathy driven UI and UX creation is still where the software developers needed. Okay, now coming to the next thing is strategic decision making. So here you can see that in a strategic decision making you cannot allow, or the AI does not have that much power to do the strategic decision making. So here we need the software developer guy. Choosing tech stack and scaling system is done by the software developers. So these are the areas where software developers are needed, and these are the areas you need to keep in mind to more focus on to save your career, right? So you have to think, you have to design the unique algorithm in the system, you have to learn more business logic, you have to see how you can choose the tech stack and the scaling system. So those things are done by you itself. So you have to focus on this area as of now. Now coming to the next slide, how developers can adapt and thrive. So these are the strategies that developers should follow to be relevant in the era of AI. Okay, so strategies for developers to stay relevant: embrace AI tools, leverage AI powered assistants. So there are so many AI tools available now. You have to see which AI tool you can use for your application development or for your productivity, right? So you have to now use the AI tools for your work. You have to provide the AI some basic prompts, and you have to see how it is working for you. So now you have to start using the AI tools. Then only you can be relevant in this era. Okay. So embrace the AI tools. Now focus on higher level skills. Now this time the small tasks, or you can say the low level tasks, are going to be done by the AI. Now you have to focus on the higher level skills. You have to focus on the next thing that you can learn, which is not being done by the AI now. So focus on the higher level skills, advance in architecture and complex problem solving. The next thing which is very much important is you can cultivate the soft skills. You can enhance the teamwork and communication skills for yourself, because the AI is not going to be there, right? So you can improve your communication skills. You can be a good person in your team, and that will help you in saving your job or in sustaining your job, right? So cultivate the soft skills, stay updated with the new technology that is coming up. Okay, so learn emerging technology and the frameworks. Specialize in something which is niche, like cyber security and the blockchain. So these are the things that software developers, you guys, can now do in the era of AI to be more relevant. Now we are going to see what are the things that AI is going to provide us, or you can say new opportunities created by the AI. Okay, so what are the doors the AI is going to open for us? That is what we are going to discuss here. So AI creates roles and responsibility opportunities. Now, when we say AI, this AI is being developed by someone who is software developers, right? So AI developments or training the AI models is the new task which is being given by the AI itself for the software developers, right? So AI development is one of the tasks which is, or you can say, is one of the field where the software developers are needed. Okay, so you can focus on learning how you can develop the AI. Okay, so AI development, building and maintaining AI models, where you can go and try to have a look, and you can create a career in this area as well. AI integration. Now the second thing is where you can surely do your job is, let's say you have your older application. Now you can think how you can embed or how you can use the AI in your existing system. Okay, so these roles are also being created. These opportunities are also being created by the AI itself. So AI development, AI integration, ethics and governance. Okay, so these are the areas where the software developers are needed. These are the roles, or you can say the doors that is being opened by the AI for you guys. Addressing bias and compliance, like the AI is it does not have the idea of uh, biasness, or how it is doing the things, right? So there you can guide the AI and address the biasness and compliance of the AI. Now personalization, enabling bespoke application. And now the next thing is expanding low code platform. Okay, innovating templates and the plugins, like let's say some kind of AI tools or the plugins are available, then you can use them and then try to have your application ready for it, right? So the main thing here we can say is AI development is a AI integration, ethic and governance. Okay, so these are the things, or these are the doors that are being opened by the AI. Now coming to the next slide, here we had the conclusion. Okay, so the thing is, AI transforms the software development professions. It automates routine tasks, allowing focus on creative activities. So make sure you are shifting your career from writing the boilerplate code, or from writing the repetitive task or routine task, to more focusing on the creative activities. okay, demands adaptability, continuous learning, and specialization. In the era of AI, software developers needed to to do continuous learning and to do some specialization in some niche technologies. It also opens the door uh, for AI itself, AI development and AI integration. But yeah, these are limited, right? So the most important thing that you have to learn from this session is make sure you are going to upgrade yourself. You are going to learn new technologies. You are going to specialize in something which is where the AIs are not there. So you have to keep in mind, you don't be the you don't be the old guy, right? You have to upgrade yourself. You have to learn the new technology now, because the low level tasks are being done by the AI itself. So anyway, if you are on the low level codes, if you are doing the repetitive tasks, you are going to be replaced by the AI. So if you don't want to be replaced by the AI, learn the AI, try to use it, and try to 10x your productivity. Try to look how you can solve the creative problem. Try to have an idea of business logics, specialize in some niche technology. So those things can help you saving your career, right? So now developers who embrace the AI will thrive in this evolving landscape. So this is what we can say. Now this is about the video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thanks.